Hi guys, okay, so I'm getting a new tattoo in a few days and I wanted to make something that is a bit matchy with tattoo. I'm getting Mew from Pokemon. So, I made this cutie pie. I made the eyes holographic and glow in the dark. I have metallic and I have everything, but I will show you how I made it. And I will show the tattoo in the end. Okay, so I made the design myself, so it's a bit but I wasn't able to find an SVG file with Mew. Especially in a cute way. I didn't mind to pay for it or anything, but I wasn't able to find anything. So I made the file myself, and I'm not great at that. But as you can see, it's fine. It turned out absolutely adorable. Here I'm pressing down all the outlines. And here the darker bits of the pink. And weirdly enough, I never get it to fully fit, so I do parts by parts. Like now I'm just doing the ears, the paws, the tail, everything separately. Just so that I feel confident enough that it is fitting in the right place. So let me tell you why I got a Mew tattoo. So first of all, because I love Pokemon. I grew up with it, I freaking love it. However, I'm also really spiritual. I'm into witchcraft and all that stuff, and she was just absolutely fitting for it. And I wanted something similar to my personality. She's chaotic, she's psychotic, but she's freaking adorable. So I found it fitting and I love her. I love how the tattoo turned out, but you will see it in the end. Right now I'm still busy with the shirt. And let me tell you something about the shirt. These vinyls are all new. I didn't know how to work with them. I was just winging it. And the pink colors are all fine. Black is also fine. That's my normal black. They are stretchy and easy to put on. I have no trouble with them. But as you will see, I'm also going to use holographic blue and pink. Blue for the eyes and pink for the hearts. And I don't know, they're not stretchy, they're pretty hard. They're also a bit hard to weed. Like I lost 2 hearts with the color. It's adorable, but I don't know if it's going to stay for long. This metallic is perfect. It's stretchy, it's also easy to put on and to work with. But these, I don't know. The white part in the eyes are glow in the dark and the final is actually amazing. It puffs up a little bit, but it's really on there. And as you can see, I lost some color with the pink one. But let's test the glow in the dark part. Freaking amazing. And here you go, the tattoo. I actually got 2 and I freaking love the Mew one.